This is how my 2021 ended.
3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!
Believe it or not, we had to spend our New Year's in quarantine again. Our city was the last to come out of lockdown, so this would be the second year in a row that Kathleen, Layla, and I ring in the new year playing games and only seeing our family through Zoom. As always, we made the most out of it. As soon as lockdown ended, my sister Nally and I decided to go on a little retreat.
Whole week of retreating, getting out of the city, getting creative.
My sister and I wanted to take a little time off away from the madness of the city to work on our projects, but also to relax and to recover. At this point, my sister was going through a lot in terms of her treatments, and we wanted to just find a place to get away and breathe. We're both creative people. She's a writer, an artist, a motivational speaker, and just such a great content creator. I was so inspired by her during this retreat. She taught me how to be kind and gentle with myself and to live with an open heart. The workouts that you have from me today is because of her. She always insisted that we work out. It made her feel strong and capable. And I'm not lying when I say that she's the strongest person I've ever known. Her determination and strength is the reason why I see hope in everybody. This retreat was life-changing. I'll forever keep this moment close to my heart. A month later, my sister and our older brother Albert packed our bags and headed off to another road trip. This time we were headed south of the border to New York City. We were on a mission.
Road trip. Behind is Justin with a bunch of luggage. But who's driving? Albert! It's pretty special. The power of 3.
Our main mission was to find alternative treatments for Nally. At this point, her doctors claimed that she had limited options, so we explored the idea of meeting with different specialists in the big city. No matter how slim the chances, my sister always taught me never give up hope. And there is no such thing as false hope. This year we had hope, and I won't lie, I recited the lines, "Everything will be okay," a countless amount of times to my sister, to my family, friends, and especially to myself. And I got this from Nally. She always used to say, hope is hope. It doesn't matter what the outcome is gonna be. Hope has the power to change the moment. What matters is how you feel at the present moment. And when you feel good, when you feel uplifted, you're gonna enjoy the moment. And that's what we did for the last 9 years, enjoying every moment with hope in our hearts. We are such big fans of Hamilton, and through divine timing, we were invited to watch Hamilton on Broadway. Mandy Gonzalez, who plays Angela Schuyler, heard that Nally would be in the city, and she was so kind to give us tickets. I sat next to my sister, who sang her heart out throughout the whole show. She was so happy, she was so excited. She got to meet the cast members afterwards. It was a dream come true for her.
Just finish watching.
Hamilton! And we met Hamilton. And we met Angelica Schuyler. And it was Albert's first Broadway.
Amazing. Are we dreaming?
I think we're dreaming.
We are.
Thank you, Mandy.
It's hard to describe the next few months. Everything feels like a blur and a dream, and to be honest, to this day, it doesn't feel so real. My sister passed away just a few weeks after our trip to New York. We celebrated her in the best way that we could. She specifically asked not to make it a somber day and to celebrate her life, to smile, to dance, and to live it up in her honor. And one final request, she asked that her ashes be planted with a tree where she can continue to grow for eternity. This summer was about honoring Nally. V and I commissioned a talented artist who goes by the name of Jazz9. She painted a beautiful mural of my sister in downtown Montreal. And this is only the beginning in our efforts to honor Nally. It took me a while to get back on my feet. I've never felt this type of pain before, and I'll forever have a hole in my heart. It was difficult to wake up in the morning, and it was almost impossible to fall asleep at night, let alone turn on the camera every day and try to motivate everybody. But all I could hear was my sister's voice telling me to be kind to myself. I took it day by day and did what I love to do best. I spent a lot of time with my family. I exercised, even if it was the most gentle exercises I could do. And I created videos for you. As much as the pain still lingers, I know Nally would want me to keep going and to do my best, to live life and live it to its fullest just as she did. And that's what I did for the rest of the year. In 2022, I hit 1 million followers on Instagram. TikTok also featured me on the giant screen at the Scotiabank Arena where the Raptors and Maple Leafs play. I worked really hard to get the Justin Agustin Fitness app approved on all platforms, including smart TVs. Kathleen and I were invited as VIPs at Osheaga. We also joined the 2022 Spartan race and finished. We had an amazing vacation down south. And Kathleen, Layla, and I moved into our new home. Welcome to your new home! And in December of 2022, I proposed to the love of my life, Kathleen. In 2023, I vowed to be the best person that I can be, to live every moment to its fullest, to spend time with the people I love, and to cherish every second that I have on this earth breathing. As much as the pain still lingers, I am blessed to have the life that I have with the people that surround me on this earth and my guardian angel, Nally. If I could give you any advice going into 2023, no matter the situation, have hope always. You can turn any moment from fear to joy, and those moments you'll cherish forever.